Ntabwo so niba uhisemo kunuka mu Congereza ngaho niyo gapfishire mu Congereza twumva.
Ikintu kigira ubwenge buzima. Urarwaye mu mutwe?
Data mabuja akazi imirimo zo gukora.
Don't talk to him. He's talking nonsense.
Imirimo iyo job yakubwiye job.
Job, right?
Yeah, job.
Yes, we need job. So like, why? Please.
Let me just hope you didn't fall in love with him.
Ariko
okay, if not, you go back where you were sitting.
What do you mean? Just, we need job, please.
Achushizwa nga agenda si.
Jambo si.
Soka.
Uretse Imana yo mwijuru yo ibonye ibintu nkoreye. Ariko urampemukiye. Akazi wenda nakurupa, nakubura, nagira jaride nazitunganye.
Utamesa bite byawe. Bunabana n'umuntu nka utamesa.
Ndamesa kata. Mu cyumweru cyashize imyenda narazimeshe.
Ubu ntandi ufite.
Bura rero nje n'ikindi kibazo ngiraga mu buzima ko nabuze amafaranga ndi n'imfubyi kubera papa arambwiraga ngo nje gushaka iyomba na mama nawe yarambwiye ngo nje gushaka iyomba n'umugore wanje duhoraga turi muri jugujugu ndi nyakamo.
Sorry, I can't understand Kinyarwanda, so please let me
ibibazo byanje byose ngiye kubivuga. Nagwaye imyaka 2 ngwara n'ugundi go gwiyongeye wari ko gwaje nyuma y'izo ngizi 2 kumva rero job,
right?
You
want job, right?
Job,
okay, so my husband will get angry, but let me please come in. It's okay. Come.
Tujane.
Come home, house. I think I can help you.
Rata kuvuri nawe unjanye nje nono Jean Claude nono nje Jean Claude.
No, come in.
Yego rata. Uzame n'amafaranga gubuntu. Si vere. Ujura bima mbigera umweru cambige.
Hari kandi kantu nabonye abasirimu binabakunda.
Wenda niba wahishije.
Hi, sweetheart.
Yes, hi.
Please.
Hi.
Are you okay? So,
Who do you think here?
Me. Can we take care of him? Can we give him a job?
Well, I warned you. You remember?
Like, yes, I know, but like, he can change. He know what he did before, but like, we can help him, right? Babe, I love you, please.
You know, I don't need him here. I need him out of this fence.
No, he can learn from this house. And like he can have experience what he do, and like
you see, it looks dirty.
But like
it looks so dirty.
But hey, please, it's my wish. I want to help you.
Okay.
And I want to support you. You don't love me. You don't want. You
no,
don't
I
love
do. You know
so
I do.
Please.
You know I love you more than you do.
So please.
Hey, Jambo.
Okay, I don't need anything which can harm you. Let him come.
So see. You can sit down here. Please come.
Gwen.
Please come in.
Murakoze.
It's okay, thank you. So don't do that face. It's okay.
You know, I'm not happy with him now.
I'm so sad when you say like that. Please.
No, I'm okay.
Yes, okay?
I'm okay.
If he can change...
I'm gonna treat him clearly.
Yes, please. If you do that... Oh my gosh, I'm super happy when you do like that. Please.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Vitesha.
Amahoro cyane.
Ongera ugaragaza ko urakaye rero. Ndatuma umugore wanjye ahangayika.
Ndishimye cyane ye muda. Ndishimye.
Yeah, he says that he's enjoying your life here.
Okay.
Yeah. He's
please
just
enjoy
most welcome.
Yes, please enjoy this new life. I think we can give some other opportunities, and yeah, it's gonna be very good for you, I
Rero
guess.
ugomba kuba umuntu mwiza ukareka bwa bujiji bwawe
oya da ntakijanye n'ubujiji ahangaha
kandi ikibazo mfitanye nawe kigakemuka nonaha.
Jambo
Inzika ntazo nkeneye.
Jambosi.
Could you please tell me why you brought him here?
Because he's nice and we can help him, and he don't have job right now, and like we can support him, right?
Okay.
Please.
And you discussed about everything, about the salary and everything, right? You did? Salary?
Not really.
Okay.
Can you ask him?
Miko, nguzahembwa ngaisha. Mwavuganye?
Amafaranga nzaje ndakorera.
Amafaranga
naje ndakorera. Kijanye n'umushahara. Ukuvuga ngo byibuze kubera nje nakoze ahantu henshi cyane. Ntari umwera wa mbere twaba tugiye gukorana. Byibuze nk'ibihumbi 900. Ibihumbi 900.
How much does he say?
But ukuvuga ngo agomba 900 wampa nanje nico naringiye kukubwira. Hakubiyemo ibitagangura ngo nabihanuye imiyari nazikuyeho nahanaguye ivumbi nafunguye igipangu.
Basishaka gukoresha ibintu by'ibigori hano.
Naje nkavuga inti nono nje ubwanje inzu amarangi ndamenya ko gogeje.
Sabi
ibyombo ubwiherero
gabanya amagambo ndakubaza uzahembwa amafaranga ngaye kandi uvuga amafaranga ashoboka.
Inanje ndi kuvuga amake gaba ibihumbi 900 naho nimvune z'abakozi.
Sabe wowe wabona hano bari kuyabara amafaranga mu buzima bwawe cyangwa no kwumvisha amatwi gusa.
None ubwo wavuga ngo nje nzagera ku nzozi zanje ryari.
None ni ngenzozi zawe
ariko namwe muri abapatoro cyane umuzungu mwa
Okay. Sawa ntago gabanya?
Twagabanya.
Angahe?
Wenda tukagira nka 700. Maganarindwi go nakora da nabuzwa siniki.
The guy is not serious. Ariko
serious nyine. None zisibyo nanje ndi kuvuga.
See, he's serious.
Serious.
He's serious.
Yeah.
Serious, of course.
He just said that he's going to work for free.
Really?
Yeah, for free.
Are you sure?
Ibihumbi 900.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, yagushimiye sabe we.
Ngarera gemeje. Bura nanje nico nandi kuvuga. Abazungu ntahagiraga ngo kwa mafaranga ntaca bagaraga amazazi. Arakwihera kukajana ibihumbi 900. Nanje rero.
He is happy working for free.
Ibyo bihumbi 900 nimba nabikoreye.
And he's doing everything?
Yeah, he was going to do everything and he will say thank you on a monthly basis.
Wow.
At the end of the month, come and say thank you. He will be happy with it.
Wow, that's very nice.
Thank
you so much. Very nice to meet you though. Thank you so much for doing everything.
Bura nje bura Jambosi. Nje bura nuko nyine Satani abagumugoma kavuga ati sohora umuntu ariko bura Satani arijageraga akavuga ngo mbaye umwana mwiza. Uri kumva ibihumbi 900 ari igihendo. Nje nanagira na 600 nkakora nta kibazo. Nanagabanya tani iryo jana rindi naryo nkari kuraho.
Oya ntacyo uzagumana nayo ngayo gusa avuze ko azajya guhemba azayakubikira azaguhereremo.
Miliyoni zingahe? Miliyoni nyinshi.
Azakubwira ntacyo.
Nanje nungoma miliyoni. Ndagenda mu muhanda ngibushe mbyimbye. Ndikubwira abantu ni nkoreraga amafaranga menshi cyane.
He's super happy.
Yeah, he's happy saying that we have a delicious food here. We will keep on eating from here. So he's getting fat soon.
Oh my God, you will. I will cook very delicious food for you.
For food. Food nabyo ndabitekaga ibijyo bya food nkavuga ntibibyo mubije bije ku murongo guci igisorori cha food hano igisorori cy'inyama hano ni cyumuceri naco nkavuga
nkavuga vuba kubera ko uzajya urya neza azagutekera neza nta kibazo ntabwo ari uzajya uteka nsabe we ntabwo narya ibyo wantekeye urumva uzigere nari mujya mu nkono uretse gushyushya amazi gusa
ntaco none se kuko ariko mubihisemo 700 ariko ibyo guteka nikivemo guteka birarushaga cyane
ya nyine azakugaburira neza akazi kawe
kazaba kurya gusa wabumenze 700 nkanateka suzi ariko Jean Koro nako Jean Boss ako nari nkibagiwe nari kari kanyisobwe 700 nanatetera naba narabikoze ko naho nakoze bwa mbere naho gari 800 kandi natetse yewe
okay
abwo Jean Boss
Is everything okay?
It's okay.
Okay, that's good. So he's happy he can welcome new life.
Yeah.
Ariko rero Jean Boss ko
nukuri
ko Imana ndashonje pe nyumva
waje guhagera hano ugira n'ubwenge umenye urugo ubujemo niba ukuruwe n'inda gusa usubire iwanyu kandi ugatuma mvuga nabi ndi imbere y'umugore wanjye ubwo urashonje
mfite inzara cawe ndo ngaho ntawo nshonje ariko mfite inzara
okay it's okay urabona ibyo kurya
What does he want?
He said that he needs clothes to wash.
Really? Oh, we have many, right?
Yeah, you just bring your clothes and we wash for you.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me bring it.
Gisahani cyuzuye.
Sorry.
No hejuru ku buryo ndajya ngahaga.
Sawa urahaga humura. Ariko aravuze ngo araguha ibyo akeneye, ntugire ikibazo.
Rwose ibyo nibyo.
Urarya igihe ashakira rwose uraryoha.
Inzara rwose. Uzi kuvira hose ntaco wari washira mu kanwa kugeza isaha. Uno gupfa wapara.
Sorry. Thank you so much. Here's the clothes. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you so much for
Jean Boss.
Okay.
Jean Boss.
Ngo banze umese ntago waryo utakoze. Ahangaha rero urabizi abanyamahanga ntago wapfa kurya ibya utakoze. Ugomba gukora. Cyangwa rebe n'ubushobozi bwawe. Rebe niba ibyo urya bingana n'ibyo ukora. Dore ko washumuye inda gusa.
Jean Boss. Nizi minota mwa.
Ngo twize iminota?
Nyine kuri izi minota niho muhise mufatira umwanzuro wo guhita mesa.
Hakundi ujye uvuga ibintu byumvikana ngo mwize iminota.
Najama wenda ngo nduhuke nawe Jean Boss ko rero.
Mesa ariko wese ufite ikibazo. You see? The guy is lazy. He's saying that this is too much, eh?
Too much?
Eh? Does it make sense?
It's only like 2 days cruise.
But you're gonna zani sabuni umumeni nuza n'amabasi. Ariko umuntu akuja aravuga ngo arashonje mugahita muzana imyenda.
Ari ugomba kumesa. Nese uraba wakoze iki?